Open up the piano and let's play I Speak Jesus by Charity Gayle. Now we're going to learn the introduction for this song. So let's start by putting our thumb on E. This is 2 steps up from middle C. This is our middle C to D to E. Put our thumb on E. And then we are going to have a total of 2 different kinds of melody. Now the melody 1, it goes like this. We have the E to F to G, stretch up to B and C. Okay, so this is our melody 1 and we're going to repeat 2 times. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 2 times, go. E to F to G and fast, B and C. Repeat. E to F to G and fast, B and C. Now melody 2, we're gonna have a slight change from instead of E, we're gonna have our F to G, back to F and fast, B and C. That is for our melody 2. Okay, so now we're going to combine melody 1 and melody 2 together 2 times for melody 1 and 1 time for melody 2 before we start the song. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, go. E to F to G, fast, B and C. Again, E to F to G, fast, B and C. Down to F, melody 2, to G, to F and fast, B and C, and then you're done with our right hand. For our left hand, we have a total of 3 chords. We have a C major chord. Okay, we're going to put our finger 5 left hand on C, and then we're going to stack E to G. Okay, this is 1 octave down from middle C. This is middle C, and then we have our low C. Okay, so this is our C chord and C chord again. Then we're going to move our hands down to A minor chord. Okay, so 2 steps down, finger 5 on A. We're gonna still have our sandwich. Then we can have our A minor, and again A minor. And lastly, we're gonna have our F chord. We're gonna move 2 steps down to F chord, F major, and F chord again. And then we are done. Okay, we're gonna combine both hands. Ready? 5, 6, note E and C chord together. E, note F, note G and C chord, and B and C. Note E and A minor, F, note G with A minor, and B and C. Note F with F chord, up to G, note F with F chord, and B and C. Okay, so that marks the end of our introduction for the song I Speak Jesus. Now we're going to move on to the verse of this song. Now this song consists of only 4 chords. We're going to play in the key of C. So the 4 chords will be C, A minor, F, and G. So we're going to try, so since there's only 4 chords, we're going to try a new chord position, okay, for our A minor, F, and G. We're going to move to our nearest possible distance, okay, and making our playing a little bit more complex. No, so for our first chord, C major, we're going to keep it simple. We have our C chord, C, E, G. Put your thumb on middle C, then finger 3 on E, finger 5 on G, and then the thumb on low C. Now this for our C, this is our C major. We're going to keep it simple just like the rest of our tutorials. Okay, but for the next chord, we're going to move to our A minor, where we're going to keep our C, we're going to keep our E, you can use finger 2, and then we're going to, instead of a G note, we're going to move up to A, and this is our A minor, and then for the left hand, you can activate finger 3. This is our A minor. We're going to use this chord position for A minor for the entire song. And lastly, the next we have our F chord. F chord, we're going to keep the C, we're going to keep the A. Okay, instead of an E, we're going to move up to F. Now this is our F chord, and then left hand, I'm going to activate finger 5. Now this is our F chord. Okay, and lastly for our G chord, we're just going to move down our thumb to B, finger 2 to D, finger 5 to G. Okay, very near the C chord position, and then finger left hand, we're going to have our finger 4, and that's it. This is our G chord. So since there's only 4 chords for this song, we are going to try different playing pattern for different parts of the song. So for verse, we're just going to have a both, ho, ho, ho. Both, ho, ho, ho. Okay, then we're going to continue to build up for the rest of the songs later on. So let's start with verse. We're going to start with C chord. Ready? 1, 2, C chord, go. I just wanna speak the name of C chord, Jesus. Then we go A minor. We're going to move up, keep the C, keep the E, go up to A. Okay, finger 3 on A minor. A minor over every heart and every A minor mine. Middle note move up to F. Now next chord we have our F chord, okay? Cause F chord, I know there is peace within your F chord presence. I speak C chord, Jesus, and C chord. Okay, let's play verse 1 smoothly. Ready, 1, 2, and we go.
I just want to speak the name of Jesus over every heart and every mind, 'cause I know there is peace within your presence. I speak Jesus.
Let's move on to verse 2. We have the exact same chord C, A minor, F, and C. Back to C again. However, for the playing pattern, we are going to have a both right, 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 left. Okay, so we're going to add the left at the very last beat. Okay, so if I were to play 2 bars continuously, it's going to be a both right, 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 left. Both right, 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 left. So let's try verse 2, C chord slowly. I just wanna speak the name of C chord again, Jesus. A minor till every dark addiction starts to A minor break. F chord declaring there is hope and there is F chord freedom. I speak G. C chord, Jesus. C chord. Let's try verse 2 smoothly. Ready, 1, 2, and we go.
I just want to speak the name of Jesus till every dark addiction starts to break, declaring there is hope and there is freedom. I speak Jesus.
Now feel free to change the playing pattern to the simpler both right, 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 okay, if you need a simpler version. Let's move on to our chorus, where we have a G chord, and then we have a F chord, and then back to C chord. Now the playing pattern for our chorus, because the chorus is like the climax of the song, so it's a little bit complicated for this pattern, but it really builds up the song. Now our playing pattern for the chorus is going to be a both right, left, right, right, left. One more time. Both right, left, right, right, left. Let's try chorus slowly, because your name is G chord, power. Your name is F chord, healing. Your name is C chord, life. C chord, break every. G chord, stronghold. Shine through the F chord, shadow. Burn like a C chord, fire. C chord. Let's try chorus smoothly. Ready, 1, 2, 3,
Your
and
name
G chord.
is power. Your name is healing. Your name is life. Break every stronghold. Shine through the shadows. Burn like a fire.
Let's move on to verse 3. We're going to use the same playing pattern for verse 2. We're going to have a both right, 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 left. So verse 3, C chord, slowly. I just wanna speak the name of C chord, Jesus. A minor, over fear and all anxiety. A minor. F chord, to every soul held captive by the F chord, oppression. I speak G. C chord, Jesus. C chord. So let's try verse 3 smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, C chord, and we go.
I just wanna speak the name of Jesus over fear and all anxiety. To every soul held captive by depression, I speak Jesus.
Let's move on to our bridge, the last part of this song. We still have the 4 chords, C, A minor, F back to C chord. Now for our playing pattern for bridge, it's going to be similar to our chorus. We're going to have a both right, left, right, right, left. Okay, one more time, yeah? Both right, left, right, right, left. Let's go bridge slowly. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Shout. C chord, Jesus from the mountain. C chord, Jesus in the streets. A minor, Jesus in the darkness over. A minor, every enemy. F chord, Jesus for my family. F chord, I speak the holy name. C chord, Jesus. C chord, Jesus. Let's go bridge smoothly, and we go.
Shout Jesus from the mountains, Jesus in the streets, Jesus in the darkness over every enemy. Jesus for my family, I speak the holy name, Jesus.
Now let's jam the entire song. We're going to start with the introduction where we have our E, G, and B, C. Okay, on C, A minor, and F. Okay, so from the introduction, then we're going to go verse 1, verse 2 to chorus, to verse 3 chorus, and then we're going to have our bridge, and we're going to end the song with our chorus. Okay, ready? Introduction, we're going to position our thumb on E, and the left hand is a C chord. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, introduction. Get ready as we go to verse.
I just want to speak the name of Jesus over every heart and every mind, 'cause I know there is peace within your presence. I speak Jesus.
Verse 2 and we go.
I just want to speak the name of Jesus till every dark addiction starts to break, declaring there is hope and there is freedom. I speak Jesus. Your name is power, your name is healing, your name is life. Break every stronghold, shine through the shadows, but like a fire.
Verse 3 and we go.
I just wanna speak the name of Jesus over fear and all anxiety. To every soul held captive by depression, I speak Jesus.
Chorus.
Your name is power, your name is healing, your name is life. Break every stronghold, shine through the shadows, burn like a fire.
Reach.
Shout Jesus from the mountains, Jesus in the streets, Jesus in the darkness over every enemy. Jesus for my family, I speak the holy name, Jesus.
Reach one more time. Go.
Shout Jesus from the mountains, Jesus in the streets, Jesus in the darkness over every enemy. Jesus for my family, I speak the holy name, Jesus.
Chorus.
Your name
and go.
is power, your name is healing, your name is life. Break every stronghold, shine through the shadows, burn like a fire.
And on C. Hey there friends, I hope you find this tutorial helpful and thank you for jamming with me over here. Now if you've got a song that you would love to learn, drop me a suggestion in the comments below and I will do my best to create a tutorial for you. If you are loving this learning style, click here to check out more videos and let's keep the music going. Thank you once again for rocking out with me. Now don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more piano tutorials over here. Until next time, stay musical and keep on jamming.